Hello guys, Muffman here, back with you with another video. I'm turning sideways because I've got a bird on my shoulder. Yes. You thought Nigel wasn't allowed out? Well, he is. Doesn't know much tricks. Nigel, say hi.
Come on. He's a bit shy.
He's quite shy and he literally just woke up, so I reckon he's knackered. So I don't reckon he wants to chirp. Because he just got up. But I'll show you like some of the tricks. Like, put him on the finger. He can jump. He can jump. And
He likes to sit on the clock.
he likes to sit on the clock and sometimes sits on the top of his belly. Sometimes he sits on the top of his cage. Like over there. Show the people of YouTube.
Go then.
Let's go. Let's go.